Bandits, always popular early bird special for Wednesday, March 17th. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked early bird special pro sports capper in the world. Yesterday, Tuesday, March 16th, early bird special winner, next up, Mighty Bell, choo 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 choo. Late night special winner, next up, Mighty Bell, choo 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 choo. NHL hockey, 4 wins, 2 losses. Tuesday, March 16. Monday, March 15. NHL hockey bandit, 4 wins, 2 losses. Next up, Mighty Bell, choo 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 choo. Lucky flip a coin, Tuesday, March 16. 2-0 so far. Utah under and New York game under, 2-0. Lucky flip a coin. About to go 3-0, 3-1. Bandit lucky flip a coin is going to be 3-1 on the day. So any early bird special winner, late night special winner, NHL hockey 4-2, lucky flip a coin 3-1, all 100% free. From the #1 ranked early bird pro sports capper in the world, the #1 ranked late night pro sports capper in the world, the #1 ranked flip a coin pro sports capper in the world. And Bandit's the only professionally paid pro sports capper in the world with a restricted 10 VIP seats on Bandit's Silver Bullet Express money train for Bandit's weekly $30 USD, monthly $120 USD package deal. Only 10 VIP seats available, sold out and restricted. You call up these professional cappers with your credit card, ask for a weekly or monthly package deal. How many say, "Oh, sorry, we're sold out"? None. 0. Bandit's the only one in the world with a restricted weekly, monthly package deal. And you want to talk about what you get for Bandit's $30 USD weekly package deal? You get UFC, you get college basketball, you get NBA, you get NHL. $30 USD a week. Call up Mock Sports over there at Phony George. Ask for a weekly package UFC, weekly package NHL, weekly package NBA, weekly package college basketball. You know what it costs? $323 USD a week. Bandit, $30. And what do you get for it? Since February 6th, Bandit's record, personal record, 38 wins, 16 losses, 5-1 UFC, 70% winners, Bandit. Hockey guy. Bandit has a hockey guy he pays. 37 wins, 15 losses, 71% winners. Team Bandit. That's Bandit and hockey guy. The last 24 days, 33 wins, 13 losses, 72% winners. All fully documented. Weekly package deal, premium place. You can ask JP in the comments. He's a weekly package deal member. You can ask him if these numbers are correct or Bandit's padding his stats. Oh, you're not impressed? How about 49 wins, 20 losses since February 10th, 71% winners. All for Bandit's weekly sold out VIP Express money train. So Bandit 70%, Hockey Guy 71%, Team Bandit 72% in 24 days, the last 24 days. And Team Bandit since February 10th, 49 wins, 20 losses, 71%. Bandit's thinking about having a contest. Bandit will pay. You document your picks in the chat for, let's say, 69 picks. Anyone out there can pick 71% over 69 picks or better, 71%. Bandit will pay you $100 USD. Over 24 days, anyone out there can pick 46 picks. You got to pick 46 picks minimum, and you have to pick 72% winners. Bandit will pay you 100 USD if anyone can match Bandit's record. No one out there can match that record. All for $30 USD. It's a great deal. Today, early bird special winner. Late night special winner. 4 and 2 NHL today. 3 and 1 lucky flip a coin. All for free. Bandit early bird special for Wednesday, March 17th. New York Yankees versus Toronto Blue Jays. Bandits playing quarter unit play. Toronto minus 105 on the money line. Toronto Blue Jays minus 105 on the money line. Money Maker Bandit, the number 1 ranked early bird special pro sports capper in the world. The number 1 ranked late night pro sports capper in the world. You name a professionally paid pro capper out there with a better record than Bandit's early bird special and late night special record. Name one. There's none. There's zero. They don't even have an early bird special. They don't have a late night special. Bandit's the only professionally paid sports capper with an early bird special and a late night special. If you want to start your day with a winner, come and check out Bandit's early bird special. You've been losing all day, you need a winner? Come and check out Bandit's late night special. Bandit's got your back with the late night special winner. Money Maker Bandit, the number 1 ranked flip a coin pro sports capper in the world. Are there any pro cappers out there with a lucky coin? None. Zero. Bandit's the only one with a lucky coin. So check out Lucky Flip Coin. Bandit, the last 2 days, NHL, 4 and 2. Today, 4 and 2. 8 and 4 the last 2 days, NHL. All for free. Just giving it away. If you don't know, and now you know. Money Maker Bandit.